G'day everyone, welcome back to Pete's Investing. Today is December 13, 2022. This is the natural gas price update. Since our last update, you'll see here the price has made a bit of a jump, bit of a spike up, and then it's retraced back a bit. But we're still in a downtrend on the CCI 1500 on a daily, and likewise the Stochastic is still in a downtrend there. So on the 4-hour chart, it has retraced back up and hit the midpoint, and potentially pulling back down again. The CCI has reached its moving average, but that's still also in a downtrend. On the hourly chart, it's spiked up through the moving average, and we're not sure where it's going at the moment. It's a bit too early to say. But you can see here on the hourly chart, I've drawn a Fibonacci retracement from that high to that low. It's reached the 50% to the 61.8% retracement level after that spike up, and it's come back down again. On the hourly, it is oversold, and on the Stochastic, and it's starting to turn up again. But again, predominantly, we're looking at the larger time frame, and it's still in a downtrend. Let's look at some support resistance areas. You can see here on the there's a key support area there, so we need to see it break down through there. There's a minor resistance area there before we take any further action on the long side, and any diagonals. Again, it's a bit of a mixed story here. You can see there's a upward moving channel there, and it's just broken, and it's sitting in that channel at the moment. On the hourly chart, on the 4-hourly and the daily chart, you can see there's a pretty some minor downward channels showing where it's sitting at the moment. So again, overall, I'd say it's still in a downtrend. This just could be a minor spike up. It's already reached the 61.8 Fibonacci. If it breaks above that and starts testing the 78 and 88% levels, then we can start talking about more upward momentum and potentially some very short-term long positions. But I would avoid long positions at this point until we see more support going forward. During the weekly market updates, I mention the strategies that I use and make recommendations on to track the potential direction of the trends when applying your strategy. Well, to pick a strategy you can work with, go to my homepage, click on the playlists, then click on the strategy playlist, and then browse through and choose a strategy that works for you. And that way you can trade profitably and do it without too much risk, as long as you follow the strategy itself and the market direction. Here are some of my investing rules: buy proven blue chip stocks, buy stocks which pay dividends, don't short positions, go long only. And the reason for that is you want to receive those dividends when they're paid, and don't trade on news. Price is already factored in the share price. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to click the subscribe and the like button, and click the notification bell to get all updates. Market updates will be posted on Mondays and Thursdays each week. If you want to support the channel further, then subscribe to the Patreon page. The link is in the description below. Happy investing, and speak to you in the next video.